In this video, I am going to explain how to use nested if statements in order to be able to obtain the grade of a particular class mark. As you can see, this example is practically the same example as the previous video. However, here in column J, I have included a column for the grade. In this column, I am going to write a complex nested if statement in order to output the grade that each student obtained in his average mark. The grades are going to be as follows. If the mark is within the range 80 to 100, it's going to be a grade A. If the mark is within the range 65 to 79, it's going to be a grade B. A mark within the range of 45 to 64 is a grade C. Otherwise, it's an F. In order to implement this, in the grade and in this cell, I am going to write an if statement. As you know, an if statement is made up of three parts. So if I write equals if, I open the bracket. As you can see here, we have three parts. The logical test, so the criteria, what it is going to output if the value is true, and what it is going to output if the value is false. Let's start from the simplest part. In order to get the range, I am only going to consider the lower band part of the range. So I am going to check if the mark is greater or equal to 80. If not, I will check if the mark is greater or equal to 65. If not, I will check if the mark is greater or equal to 45. Otherwise, it's an F because it is in this range. So when I do the logical test, I'm going to check if this mark is greater or equal to 80. And I am starting from the largest band so that we always check if the mark is largest than that particular band, and we move down one band at a time. If the mark is greater or equal to 80, then we know that it is a grade A. So I am going to output A. Otherwise, if the value is false, we have to do another if statement. And we have to check if that mark is greater or equal to 65. In this case, if it is greater or equal to 65, it means that it is a B. Otherwise, it can be either a C or an F. So let's check whether it's a C. So I have to write another if statement. I will check if the same mark, H5, is greater or equal to 45. In that case, I will output a C. Otherwise, I will output an F. Now I am going to start closing the brackets in such a way that I close all the brackets that I have opened. you can note that the brackets here are color-coded. Here we have the purple bracket, the red bracket, and the black bracket. So if I close the first one, it's for the purple one. Second bracket is the red bracket, and the last bracket is the black bracket. If I press enter, this will give me the grade. If I replicate, then we have all the grades accordingly.